So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates, guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing first, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know what your trend is, right? First, you know your trend. Second, you have to trade with the trend. Now, if you take a look at your GBP USD, you can clearly see that GBP USD is on a ranging market move, which is very much visible, especially when you go to your 4-hour time frame and you zoom it out. You can see that market is ranging within this zone right here. So market rallied on to tap this resistance, which broke above it a little bit, right? Giving us a false breakout right here. Gave us a false breakout right here. Right? Markets eventually corrected itself, and guess what market did? Markets eventually dropped back to the tap our support level, right? When market got to the support level, guess what market did? Markets rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Then got to the resistance, rejected and dropped to tap our support level, even giving us a false breakout right here. So market did give us a false breakout. After market did give us the false breakout, markets eventually corrected itself. Market corrected itself and came back to tap our resistance. Right now, with such a movement, market eventually rejected from it and dropped to tap our support level. Now, market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance, right? So at this resistance, market is rejecting, and this is exactly what we are having. Now, this is this movement right here. This is our low. This is the lower high. This is our lower low. And this is the equal lower high right here. Now, market eventually dropped again to form a new lower low that took out this previous low, right? It formed a new lower low that took out this previous low. Now, this is the pullback, which is a lower high. You can see that this lower high actually tapped our 10-period simple moving average, right? Now that it has tapped it, we will be expecting market to reject and drop. So, guys, a bearish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any single updates.